Animals around us. Second Standard, Unit 4, Term 1, EVS. Domestic animals. In that, we are going to start with farm animals. Chico and Tico are two little sparrows. One day,
Ma, today Chico wants to explore the places around us.
okay, but don't go too far. Chico was very excited. She flew from the nest on a journey into the world of animals. Animals are of different kinds. Some live with us in our farms and homes, and we call them as domestic animals. Some live in the forest. We call them as wild animals, and some live in the water. Now, just ask your child to observe this picture. This is a farmer's house, and what animals can he see? Okay, there are a lot of animals which he can easily name or she can easily name. Now, these animals are found in and around our homes. We take care of them and they help us in various ways. Such animals are called domestic animals. Some domestic animals help us in our farm work. They are called farm animals. Now Chico saw the farm and the farm animals. She introduced herself and spoke to the animals.
I am a sparrow. My name is Chico.
Hello Chico, I help to flood the farm.
I give milk and my dung is used as manure and fuel. The farmers provide us a home called a shed. My young one is a calf. Hello Chico, I am a horse. People use me to pull carts and for riding. They take care of me. My home is called a stable. This is my young one, a foal. Do you know I can sleep both lying down and standing up? Hello Chico, I am a donkey. I am grey in color. People use me to carry loads. This is my young one, a foal. My home is a stable.
Okay, here we have to connect the animals to their homes and young ones by drawing lines. So we have foal staying in the stable with horse. Then we have a calf staying in the shed with cow. And we have a foal again staying in the stable with the donkey. Now when we talk about domestic animals, the domestic animals give us a lot of things. Some domestic animals give us food items like milk, eggs, meat and honey, and some give us wool and leather.
Hello Chiku, I am a goat. This is my young one, a kid. My home is a shed. People rear us for our milk and meat. They take us to graze. Hello Chiku, I am a sheep. My home is a shed. My young one is a lamb. I give wool. People use wool to make sweaters, gloves and shawls. It keeps them warm. Hello Chiku, we are honeybees. Our home is a beehive. We live together in large numbers. We make honey from flowers. Hello Chiku, I am a hen. My home is called a coop. My young one is a chick. We are reared for our eggs and meat. Turkeys and ducks are also reared for their eggs and meat.
Chiku said,
I feel happy to have met all of you. Thank you and goodbye.
She flew away. Now here we need to name the young ones. So we have calf, chick and kid. Now domestic animals. In this we need to go through pet animals. Some domestic animals live with us and share our lives. They are called pet animals. Now on the way to the forest, Chiku saw Surabhi and Samacheer with their pet animals. Surabhi.
This is my cat, and these are her kittens. They live in our home.
Semi.
This is my dog, and this is its puppy. I keep them in a kennel in my house. I love my pets very much. I feed them and play with them. They love me too. My dogs wag their tails when they see me. I take them to the doctor to keep them healthy.
Now, do you have pet animals? This is for your child and for you, and talk about them with your friends or teacher, or you can ask your child to say something. If you have a pet animal, say something about it. Now here we need to talk about, he has to or she has to talk about the kinds of pet animals, their names, food what you give them, and the way you take care of them. So you both can discuss about it. Now we have fill in the blanks. Sankar has 2 kittens and 3 pups. So Sankar has 5 pets in all. Now let's move on to wild animals. Chico then entered a forest. The forest is a home of wild animals.
I am Chiku, a sparrow. May I know about you? Hello, Chiku. I am an elephant. I love to play in the water. This is my young one, a calf.
The elephant has a long trunk and big ears. Some elephants have tusks. Tusks are a different form of teeth.
Oh, what is this sound? It makes me afraid. It is the roar of the lion. The lion's home is called a den. Male lions have a mane. Lions and tigers live in the forest. Their young ones are called cubs. The tiger's home is called a lair. Tigers have black stripes on their body. Some tigers are white in color.
Chiku thanked the elephant and flew out of the forest. Now some of the animal facts. Snail, the slowest animal. Giraffe, the tallest animal. Cheetah, the fastest animal. Choose the right word and fill in the blanks. Elephants have a trunk. Dash are modified form of teeth, tusks. They have small eyes and large ears. Now let's talk about water animals. On the way back to her nest, Chiku saw a pond and some water animals in and around it.
Crane, fish, turtle, frog, crab.
Okay, Chiku saw some fish, frogs, a turtle, crabs and a crane. Frog, crab and turtle live both in land and in water. The young one of the fish is called a fingerling and the young one of a frog is a tadpole. Now let's talk about the birds and nest. Chiku also saw some birds and their nest. Each bird's nest looks different. Birds use stick, thorns, cotton and fiber to build their nest. Some birds such as woodpecker, owl and parrot live in the holes in the tree trunk called hollows. Now we have a weaver bird, crow, owl, parrot. Do you know the cuckoo does not build a nest? It lays its egg in the nest of other birds. Chico reached home. Tico and mother were happy to see Chico. Chico spoke about her experiences in the animal world. Now select the odd one and put a cross mark in the box. So we have now parrot and owl, they live in the tree trunk, and that is called hollow, but the other one has built a nest, so that is the odd one. Now coming down, we have crow and sparrow feeding their babies in the nest, and the woodpecker will have the babies inside the hollow of the tree trunk. So that is the odd one. Now connect the animals to their homes by drawing lines. Here we have woodpecker, then we have cow, then we have dog in the kennel, then we have sparrow nest, and then a lion in the den. Are the animals in their homes? Put a tick mark if they are and a cross mark if they are not. Now we have cow in the shed, correct. Cat is wrong. Then we have the next one where donkey in the den is wrong. Then we have a crow in a weaver's nest, it's wrong. Then we have a goat in the kennel, wrong. And then we have a woodpecker inside the hollow, it's correct. Write D for the domestic animals and W for the wild animals. Cow D, dog D, cat D, deer W, goat D, elephant W, hen D, and lion W. Now connect the animals to their young ones and their homes by drawing lines. Hen with the chick lives in the coop. Horse with the foal lives in the stable. Lion with the cub lives in the den. Fish with the fingerling lives in the pond. Write 1 for the animals that live only in water. Write 2 for the animals that live only on land. Write 3 for the animals that live both on land and in water. So crab will be 3. Elephant is 2. Fish is 1. Tortoise is 3. Then we have dolphin, which is 1. Cat 2. Then we have the cock 2. Frog 3 and crane also 3.